Hey guys, it's Jeremy from Autoblog. We are looking at a brand new Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is a Trailhawk edition. One of the unique features of the Trailhawk, it's got a lot of extra off-road bits and electronic doodads that make it easier for you to do off-roading. Right now, we're looking at some suspension articulation. We're actually on a boat ramp, but we're not launching a boat. I'm just using this divided boat ramp and its big concrete divider to give you a look at suspension articulation. We have disconnected the front sway bar, which you can do electronically from inside the vehicle at the touch of a button. We have raised the vehicle to its highest off-road 2 setting. Gives you the greatest amount of ground clearance in front. Your best approach angle, your best departure angle. Give you a view of what we're looking at. I don't have any spotters or anyone else helping me here, so I'm not gonna keep driving all the way, but hopefully you can see through this demonstration. We could very easily have gotten up this little berm on both sides, gone quite a bit out further toward the water if we wanted to. But just for the purposes of this demonstration, I thought I'd show you the greater articulation that you can get by unlocking the sway bar. This is something that you can also do in a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, a few other vehicles from Jeep, Gladiators and whatnot. But here in this Grand Cherokee Trailhawk, you've got that option to give yourself additional articulation when you're driving off-road. Probably not in a boat ramp like this, but if you're getting up to the rocks or really big steep hills, anything like that with a lot of side-to-side motion, you want to disconnect that sway bar, and it's super convenient that you can do it at the press button from inside the vehicle, which I'll show you right now. All you have to do is press this button that says sway bar, and when it stops blinking and shows up lit, you know you've completely disconnected it, which gives you the extra articulation that you're looking for. All right, guys, thanks for watching.